Meaning of goodwill.
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 Goodwill. Goodwill refers to the intangible value of a company's reputation, customer loyalty, and brand recognition beyond its tangible assets. It is an important asset that can have a significant impact on a company's financial performance. Goodwill arises from factors such as a strong customer base, an established brand name, and a favorable reputation in the community. Companies with high goodwill are more likely to retain customers, attract new business, and generate higher profits. Goodwill is typically calculated as the difference between a company's total value and the fair market value of its tangible assets.